ladies and gentlemen, here is Javier El Abejón Fortuna.
Javier Fortuna, alias El Abejón, dating WBA Super Featherweight Champion, pambato ng Dominican Republic. May impresibo itong amateur record na 196 wins with only 6 losses. At sa kasalukuyan ay may pambihira itong kartada na 37 wins with 26 via knockout, 3 ang talo at 1 ang tabla. May laban siya ngayong linggo kontra kay Ryan Garcia. Hinahangaan ang angking galing, lakas at bilis sa laban. Naging champion taong 2015 nang manalo siya via unanimous decision kontra kay Brian Vasquez. Pero sa kanyang pangalawang pagdipinsa sa titulo ay nalasap niya ang kauna-unahang talo.
He's grabbing on, Fortuna. He's in all sorts of bother, hanging on for dear life. He's been warned for that already. Bundled to the ground.
June 24, 2016, nangyari ang laban na ginanap sa bansang China. Nagkaharap ni Fortuna dito ang magaling din na si Jason Sousa. May record ang challenger na si Sousa na 18 wins with 14 knockout, 1 talo at 4 na tabla. Habang malinis naman ang kartada ng champion na si Fortuna na 29 wins, 0 loss, 21 via knockout at 1 ang tabla. Sabay nating balikan mga pre ang maaksyong bakbakan. Ating tignan kung paano natalo sa unang pagkakataon ang isang magaling, malakas at mabilis na champion na pambato ng Dominican Republic.
So you know it's going to be a fight of pretty much who can hit the hardest, and you fancy
a little slow, Walters.
Yeah, even though you know nobody experienced boxing a super featherweight anyway. I think that's sometimes the way, you know, when you both stop.
The footage I've been watching of him.
Is cocked up there by his chin, looking just. You can never look good against it, even if you can beat the southpaw. I've never lost to a southpaw, by the way, but you can never look good. Well, I don't know why they didn't box the southpaw.
Guy that just isn't has natural power. I mean, he's
loose when he throws.
Oh, big clubbing right hand. And suddenly he lets his hands go, Sosa. Belatedly. By Javier Fortuna in the yellow and gold trunks for the set. Fortuna.
Abner and his chin there, the Sosa.
He's not what you call a stylist, maybe, to be in there taking a belt. I always think this, you know, it's all very well blocking punches, but
there from Sosa.
Oh, he's caught him again
from unusual angles.
That was a nice little right hand. That's better, yeah. It was about the foot, you know, the right punch, didn't he? I think he's. Left hand, that just had Sosa juggling back on his heels, and here comes the attack. Just slowly start reaching forward in their seats.
Yeah, I tell you, there wouldn't be a stationary target, so it was hard for Fortuna to hit the target clean.
Yeah, and he caught it. I don't think he'll be too bothered. I mean, boxing abroad here in China. Oh! Trying to quicken his. I mentioned no stranger to travelling as well for Fortuna in America. Produced the explosive finish. Definitely a knockdown. Lands with the left hand, and he definitely wasn't hurt. Or just a reminder of the power that he carries. And the interesting thing is, Barry, about that is often he's throwing punches, but
And that they're hard to box people like that. You just don't know when you're in a safe position with him. So you see him. Where Sosa was really coming out trying to rush him all the time. Now he's.
where are they going? Here he goes again at the end of the round. Fortuna.
Carries that power. I think that's much easier said than done. As we've seen with Sosa, who could take a good shot.
Was there a low blow there? He almost turned his back.
We've seen Julius Jackson recently turn his. That's good from him.
Yeah, that was quite good.
When we talk about people moving your head going forward or moving, always, moving your head up. Good right hand there though from Sosa.
Exactly. Sosa keeps sort of.
He knows he can hurt the guy. He knows he's better when he's letting his hands go from distance, and do that.
He's come straight out, trying to go at it. He's in that little exchange. Sosa's, you always talk about the southpaw.
Well, Sosa did really well there with it. Good jab there from Sosa as well.
Another burst from Fortuna. Do you know what? They
Wasn't busy enough. He knows he carries power, and he just wanted to decide to do little comments like this. But later in the rounds, bet start faster like he is right now. Again, we don't know. No one.
down the stretch now. He's getting.
Okay, he might not be hitting the target all the time.
Had Sosa off balance.
Nice little hook in that exchange there from Fortuna.
He's letting his hands go now. They both are. This is what the crowd in this round.
Again with the right hand, but a good left hand back from Fortuna.
Well, the great news is they don't seem to be bothered about defence now. Oh, a couple of big shots at the end. And again from Fortuna.
And look at this other body movement again. Previously in some of the rounds, and Sosa could possibly nick it. But listen, Fortuna, you feel that.
Yeah, good point.
Takes a shot, he's strong, I don't think he's a KO artist, but he's heavy hand. Can't overwhelm him either because he got filled up a body movement. Look at this from Sosa.
Oh, he's all over him. I think he hurts him with the left hook to the body, and he's going after him here. Oh, he's grabbing on. Fortuna, he's in all sorts of bother, hanging on for dear life. He's been warned for that already. He was holding on, Fortuna. Perhaps he deserved it.
And I think that body shot left hook, I think it just caught him on a chin because Fortuna was bending low. I think this might just...
Better for Sosa.
Oh, good left hook again there from Sosa.
Oh, he caught him again. He can't miss. He's all over the place. Another left. Durated now. He's under pressure and tiring and hurt.
Oh, you're going to point again here. Taken away for that.
That is a huge round either way. It certainly closes the gap if nothing else, but There's no doubt Sosa's... Oh, big left hand. Oh, he's got him, he's down. And he must be out. On the referee, no, and I think it's a good stoppage. He hangs his head, but that was a heavy knockdown. Still his legs, you can see the referee, Raul Caiz Jr., he is holding Fortuna up, and the title.
Not massive pockets of adversity, but he just takes some big punches, the commitment he showed.
And the new WBA Super Featherweight Champion of the World, Jason El Canito Souza.